The SVBONY SV520 Telescope Kit is designed for those starting out in astronomy, offering a robust build with full metal construction to ensure longevity and precise optical alignment. Equipped with a 90mm aperture and 800mm focal length, this telescope allows for enhanced light gathering, making it possible to view deep sky objects with greater clarity compared to other beginner telescopes. The inclusion of both PL10 and K25 eyepieces, along with a moon filter, provides versatility for various observational experiences, and additional eyepieces can be paired for even higher magnifications. A sturdy, adjustable stainless steel tripod is included, offering customizable height and stability with a convenient tray to keep eyepieces organized and accessible. The telescope's altitude-azimuth mount features a worm gear drive system, allowing for smooth, precise movement with 360-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical adjustments. For those interested in astrophotography, the kit includes smartphone holders and a photograph shutter, enabling easy capture of celestial images to preserve your stargazing memories.